Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'll show you how to export your logo in full transparent background in higher resolution. Let me show you how. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure there is no background in your logo. That's the first thing you need to do. Do not add any background. And with that, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here and make sure you navigate to the file right here. Go ahead and click on file. And the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here and make sure you look for export right here. Go ahead and click on export. And this particular dialog export right here is going to come up. Next thing you want to do is to choose your file destination. So I'm going to export this into my desktop. And the next thing you want to do is to click on save as start file. Click on here. And then next thing you want to do is to make sure you look for portable network graphics, which is also known as PNG. Select on that. And next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here and make sure you click on export. And this window right here is going to come up. You can see now that the logo is in completely transparent background. And next thing you want to do is to make sure that PNG format is still remain right here. So you can decide to change the color mode right here. Click on color mode right here. You can decide to make it black and white, grayscale, paletted, or RGB as it is. So in this tutorial, I'm going to leave it in RGB color. Then you want to check on the costume. So you can decide to leave it in original. Then when you switch to original, it's going to give you something like this. However, you can go ahead and click on this particular point right here to vertical preview. So you have the PNG file right here, and then you have the original. So you are going to export the PNG file. So what you want to do here is to make sure you select on the PNG file right here. So once you select PNG file right here, the next thing you want to do, so you can see this is a PNG file format right here. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here and go ahead and click on OK. And in a few seconds, the file is going to save as transparent, higher resolution PNG background. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.